In this video, we're going to go over how page templates work. Using this example website, what we're going to demonstrate is simulating the case where maybe I would want to create new pages that are based upon the same kind of layout, look, and feel of an existing page on the site. In this case, I threw together this sample content. This is not obviously all the DNN awareness team members, but we have an area on the site called our team, and then there's a site or the page will stroll, and we're going to create a new one, but base it off of this one using a page template. Now, before we create the page template, one thing to make you aware of is that not all modules that you might have on the page will be friendly to that. So for example, some modules may not export properly into the page template format, so you'll want to try this on your own when you're doing this for your own websites. The first thing that we'll want to do is go to the settings for the page that we want to create a template of. So in this case, we're just going to click the pencil in the persona bar, and then we're going to click the gear icon to go to page settings. Once we're on the page in question, we can see at the top there is a button that says Save as Template. Now all we have to do is give it a name. And then we click Save. Now we have a page template. Now if we want to use it, we can simply create a new page like we normally do. But before we do that, I did want to highlight that when the page template's saved, the default location for it is in the templates folder of the particular site in question. So if we look where the website is installed, there will be a portals folder, and then an ID for the site that you happen to be on, and then the templates folder, and we can see team page is right there. If we were to open that up, it's simply XML. Now I'm going to use the page manager here to create a new page. So I'm going to choose Add New Page off of the Our Team menu, and I'm going to call this one David Poindexter because he happens to be one of the other leaders in the community. Now that I've added that, one of the things that you may gloss over maybe, because you don't use it all that often, is template down at the bottom. So if we use this template dropdown, now we see Team Page. If we select Team Page and we click to add the new page, we'll now have all the modules there that were in the previous page. Now, if we had chosen to save content, this would be pre-populated with maybe some placeholder content. But in this case, we have all the modules in the same places, and we can start to edit it and make it look like the previous page. And as you can see, after just a couple minutes, I just went ahead and just filled in the information that was there in the template, and it just made it easier. Everything is in the right place. And one of the things I should point out is that the other module is actually open content. So we can see that by looking at the settings for the module. And we can see that's also the case with the previous page. This is also open content. So this is just a quick tip to help you learn and know how to create pages more quickly, especially ones that are far more complicated than this one that might have specific settings in the design and in modules and everything else. We hope you enjoyed this video.